So let's look at subtraction now. So as I did before with addition, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create two objects of equal size. One here is separated into two equal pieces, 1 of 2, 2 of 2. Then the next is separated into 5 pieces, 1 of 5, 2 of 5, 3 of 5, 4 of 5, 5 of 5. And the last one I see, when I overlap them, I tend to get two small pieces right here. If I break up the remainder of the object to have only those size of pieces, I will end up having 2 more here, 2 more here, 2 more here, and 2 more here. When I count it out, I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Meaning I will have 10 pieces to evenly split. That means each of those previous objects, which is this and this, can be broken up into 10 even pieces. So let's see how much each piece represents. And we'll use a question. Let's say, for instance, I have 3 on 5, 3 of 5 pieces, and I'm minusing 1 of 2 pieces. What will I have? Let's start off first by seeing how many pieces there are in the 3 of 5 pieces. So these are the 3 of the 5 pieces here. And I'm going to split those 3 of the 5 pieces. Each one of them can split into 2. So I get 6 of 10 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of 10 pieces. Okay, so I changed that 3 on 5 to 6 of 10 pieces. And now what I'm going to do, I'm doing the same thing again with this one. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. And when I work that out, I can see I can change my 1 of 2 pieces into 5 of 10 pieces. And then when I subtract them, I get 1 of 10 pieces. Now, if you watch this, you can see right away that what you're trying to do is you're trying to break up, you're trying to find a value that will break up the first two objects, this object here and this object here, into as small as piece as possible that you can count without having to go too small. And the LCM does help you obtain that, which is, in this case, 10. Let's try doing this exact same thing with some steps that we could follow. So we first find the LCM of the denominators. So 5 and 2 are the denominators, and the LCM of it is 10. And we get that by simply listing the multiples: 5, 10, 15, 20. And for 2, we will have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And we can see right away that the lowest common will be a 10. Now that we have that LCM, we simply divide the LCM by the first denominator. So on this fraction here, we're going to take that 10, divide by 5, we'll get the answer of 2. And then we put that 2 here, and we multiply by the numerator of that factor. So this is the 5 here, and we're using its numerator, 3. We minus. We do the same exact thing for the other one. We take the 10, we divide by 2, we get 5. And we say 5 into 1. And now what we do, we simply simplify. So 2 times 3 will be 6, subtracting 5 times 1 will be 5, divide by 10, and it will be equal to 1 on 5. Sorry, 1 on 10 as the answer. Notice we get the exact same answer as before. So these are the steps that you should follow to be able to subtract fractions.